2005 Land Rover Defender 110 in the streets of Brazil. So this stands out and imposes some respect. People do get out of the way. It's a loud car. It's a 4x4, very basic mechanical Land Rover, as you all know. But it gives a sense of protection in the city because of the way they drive. You know, it protects basically our babies in the back, and it's a great car to go on trips, very dependable. So this right away this stands out and imposes some respect. People do get out of the way. It's a loud car. It's a 4x4, very basic mechanical Land Rover, as you all know. But it gives a sense of protection in the city because of the way they drive. You know, it protects basically our babies in the back, and it's a great car to go on trips, very dependable. It's a TDI model, station wagon, and it has air conditioning, you know, Bluetooth and some of the amenities. This truck did not come with air conditioning, but it was installed right here, the controls and the unit on the back. The unit blows very strong. It really freezes this car inside. As opposed to the newer versions, other Land Rovers have the air conditioning here, and it's called the freeze your balls, because it's literally down below here and it freezes your balls. So I like the one on the back. It makes more sense. This car is all manual. It doesn't have any aftermarket options like power doors. It's a roll-up door, and I like it because it's very dependable. It's not gonna let you down. It's always gonna work. A roll-up door is very faithful. So this car has 201,000 kilometers. In miles, you do the calculation. And it's a diesel. And the diesel is very expensive at this current junction here in Brazil. So it's a Sunday and it's packed with people here at this park, which is a central park in Sao Paulo called Ibirapuera. It's an Indian name, but it's amazing. It's a great park that provides leisure for Paulistanos, you know, the São Paulo people, in this concrete jungle here. It's a 2005 Land Rover Defender 110. It's diesel, and it's very well kept. And it's a very Spartan car to drive in a city like Sao Paulo. The wife is inside. We have the car seats, storage in the back. So this is it. Just a quick look at the 2005 Land Rover Defender 110 TDI. It's a workhorse. We're happy. It gets us through the city here. Crazy drivers, millions of motorcycles. So what's cool on this one also has a little option, the option of watchdog. This is kind of cool. Yes, and it's a 5-speed. Yes, and it's a 5-speed.